Alright, hey, what's up there, YouTubers? It's your girl, shayskyler, and I'm coming to you really quick. I wanted to show you this really cool video, just real quick, about how I make my skirt and my dashiki. Alright, so Walmart, they have this fabric. It's 2 yards going for $4, okay? And this is what it comes in. And what I did was I laid the fabric on the floor. This is how the fabric looks. And I measured it from waist to bottom. So I wanted to see how long it was from my waist down to the floor where I want my skirt to hang. The extra piece of fabric that I have that comes way up here, I'm gonna cut that as my scarf. How much I'll be cutting is about this much. Okay, so I want to say that's about 12 inches. Not even 12, maybe like 9 inches. So all I'm going to do is just take it. I'll bring my phone closer so you guys can see. What I'm going to do is just take my scissors and I'm going to cut. Alright, so I know I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to cut all the way across. I needed some light. Okay, so we have our 2 portions. We have our scarf, which is right here. This is what we're going to use as our wrap for our head. And then we have our skirt. Now for the skirt, it's really easy. Let's see if I can get this camera together so I can show you guys how easy it is. So I'm just going to take the fabric and the top portion that I cut, which is on this side. The only thing that I'm going to do is position it to how close I want it to be on the floor. And we don't want this to be tight because I'm actually going to wear this to work. I want it to be kind of loose. So the only thing that I'm going to do is take both corners of the skirt. I'm going to take the first corner, and then I'm just going to take this and wrap it around. And then I'm going to take the second corner, wrap it around, and then I'm going to tie it in a knot, okay? And after I tie it in a knot, I'm going to tuck it. And then this is how we have our skirt. See, this is our skirt. And we'll fix this. You can fix it however you want. But this is a skirt, so nothing's showing. And then when I wrap my headpiece around in the morning, I'll show you guys how it looks so you can get a better view. But that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.